Welcome to this video, and I'm sat in the new Toyota Yaris GR. Actually, that should be GR Yaris, Kazoo Racing Yaris. A homologation special, limited run, crazy little hot hatch that bears very little resemblance to a normal Yaris apart from its lights, door mirrors and taillights. That's it. It's got a carbon fibre roof, it's got independent rear suspension, it's got two diffs, one at the front, one at the back, and of course the diff for the four-wheel drive system. It's nuts. Next to me is another nuts little hot hatch, a mini GP. Crazy little drag race we're going to have here. Let me tell you about this Toyota. So it's got a 1.6 litre 3-cylinder turbo. This is the most powerful one on sale right now that you can buy. It puts out 261 horsepower and 360 newton meters of torque, and it drives all four wheels via a 6-speed manual gearbox. A good old-fashioned manual. For a four-wheel drive car, it's quite light. It weighs in at 1,280 kilos. That mini GP is a bit more expensive. It's £35,500. It's got a bigger engine as well. A 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo with 306 horsepower and 450 newton meters of torque. So, more power. It's also lighter than this car, 1,255 kilos. So a better power to weight ratio, but it's not perfect. You see, it's front wheel drive only. Though it does have an automatic gearbox. It's an 8-speeder, but it has launch control, so that will help it. Now I'm trying to talk as much as possible because it's raining a little bit and I want the track to get damp because that's going to go in my favour and show the true benefit of the four-wheel drive system in this car. To race, let's do a quick sound check. See which of these cars sound the best. So I'm going to rev up this little Yaris. Let's have a listen to the Mini. Finally, we're going to have a brake test from 70 miles an hour when we hit the line or emergency stop. Okay then, get level, stay level. I'll try and balance it as best as I can. I've got no digital speedo, which is unusual these days. Here's the line, here comes the line. Come on Yaris, come on, WRC Yaris. Come on, WRC Yaris. Oh. I hardly ever win brake tests, and that one I just totally smashed. I'd say please, win the drag, no didn't win the drag race, did it? Win the riding, no didn't win the riding race. Won the brake test! One win for the Yaris GR. The Mini won over on the rolling races and it won the drag race.
तो वीडियो देखने के लिए आपका धन्यवाद. Thank you so much.